guys, welcome back to another video on my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make those TikTok Roblox edits that I've been seeing so much of recently. They're so cool, so I thought I'd show you guys how to make them. Okay, so to begin with, I'm going to show you guys how to actually get the footage to edit. Okay, so I'm just going to speed this part up because it's not super important. So all you have to do is look up dancing games, and I'm pretty sure the game is TTD3. So yeah, once you join that, go to whatever section you want. I'm going to this section because there weren't any people. But you can press on settings and edit the lighting. You can edit if name tags show or not. So I'm just adjusting those settings a little bit. Okay, so once you adjust your lighting and all of your settings, you can choose a dance by just clicking on the dances on the left of your screen, and you can press that arrow to make the dances go away, but just swipe over on your screen to make your camera rotate. Yeah, so that's all you do for the footage, and make sure to screen record it. Okay, so once you have the video of your character dancing, just press on this plus button right here, and then press on this video format section. You can choose any one of these actually, but I'm gonna do second to last one. And then you can press on select song or edit video. I just choose edit video because it's much easier for me. So once you press this, you're going to be taken to your camera roll, and you just select the video that has the audio you have already saved. Okay, so I have it. It's from a TikTok, but that doesn't matter right now. So I'm gonna go to the end of my clip and just set the end. I'm just gonna adjust everything. And then to make it easier for you so you won't get distracted, just swipe the video over to the side. Now press make video and wait for that to load. Now, once you have this, you can split your clip if you want there to be like different parts. No, for me, I want there to be an intro, an outro, and I want it to loop. So I'm going to split the part where I want the intro to be and the end, and then I'm gonna split the beginning of the clip so that way I can go back and loop it. To do this, you press on edit and then press on multi-split scene, and then just press on set wherever you want the timeline to split. Alright, so this section will be the intro, and then this section right here will be the actual edit, and then the section to the right of that will be where it loops, and then this part will be the outro. So I'm going to press on split. Okay, so for my intro, I want to add in a video of me just kind of being like clueless, I guess, in the game, because like I was running into everything, climbing up trees just to get to that one spot. Like I was so confused, but you know, I find that funny, so I just want to put that in the beginning of the video. So to do this, I'm gonna press on new, and I'm gonna press on velocity because it's a long clip that I'm a little confused and I want it to be sped up. And so from here, you're gonna wanna press on this photo icon, and it will take you to your camera roll, and you can select your screen recording. Okay, so once you have it selected, you just trim to the spots you want. Okay, so yeah, just wherever you want the clip to start, press on set start, and then wherever you want it to end, press on set end. And to rescale it, just zoom in with 2 fingers. Sometimes it will get a little crooked, so you can just tap on the screen twice to fix it. So I'm gonna replay it using this button to see how I like the little clip. Okay, I like that, so I'm gonna press on done. And now I'm gonna speed this clip all the way up. I'm gonna speed it up until it reaches the end. So now click on this little person running icon, and then just make sure that you're on Better Mixer, and then press on create and wait for it to load. Now you can play it back to see if you like it, and if you don't want to play it back, you can just press done. Okay, so I like that. I'm gonna press on done. Now I'm gonna go to my other clip and press on new, velocity again, and then import my same screen recording that I have me dancing. Okay, now we're gonna speed the video up in certain sections and make it go slower in other sections. If you want a more in-depth tutorial, you can always check out this video. I explain it in more detail, but I'm just gonna give you a quick overview. So to speed the clip up, you drag this little line up, and then to make the clip slow down, you go over a little bit, press this plus button, and then drag the clip down below 0. So it looks like this. So just do that for each beat. So if the beat is starting, you drag the clip back up, or the line back up, and go over a little, press the plus button, and drag the line back down. So I'm going to speed this up. It also might be easier to do this step on nearest frame. Okay, so at this point I think you guys get the main idea, so I'm just going to cut to the end of me doing this. Okay, so once you have it done, just make sure that you're on Better Mixer before pressing create. So if you like it, press on done. If you don't like it, you can always adjust the clip still. Okay, once it's done, if you want to look at it, you can, but otherwise press done. I'm gonna look at mine. Mine's fine, you know, it doesn't really match up with the beats, but you guys won't hear it anyways because the audio is copyrighted. So yeah, that's fun. I'll probably post it on like my Instagram though. Yeah. Or not my TikTok. Yeah. Okay, so press done. And now what you want to do is you want to press on edit and then press on multi-split scene. You're going to want to put a split marker each time the video starts to speed up. So for example, it starts to speed up about here, so I'm going to put down a marker. And then it starts to speed up around here again, so I'm going to put down another marker, and yeah. Okay, so once you have this, press split. Now go to the first clip and press on edit, and then press multi-layer. And then press on layer 1 and then select your video. And we're just gonna add a quick shake. So all you have to do is press on edit keyframes and go to the very end of your clip and then place down a path keyframe using this little arrow next to path. And then go back to the very beginning of your clip and just drag the clip whichever way you want. I'm gonna drag mine here because, you know, that's fun. And then go to the very end of your clip and then just press on this straight line next to path and then select any of these lines. I'm gonna choose this one and see how it goes. Okay, I like that. I'm gonna press on back and then press on mirror and press on any of these options. I'm actually going to choose this last option. And then press on color and press tracking blur. And if you don't know where it is, you can always search it up. And I'm just going to make sure I like that with the blur. Okay, so I think that's too much for me. So I'm going to go back and then edit the keyframes and drag this so it's a little bit closer to where it's going to end up. Press back, and I'm going to take the blur up. Now I'm going to press create and then press done. Now press new again, multi-layer, and then press on 1 and then import the clip that we just made. Now press on color and look up, let's see. Okay, so right here I mess up and use lens blur, but the actual effect you should be using is called glow blur. So yeah, just search that up, use that, and you can continue with the rest of the tutorial. Layer 1 and then press on edit keyframes. And I'm gonna click on this size icon and it will change to a color icon. I'm gonna go to the end of my clip and drag it down to 0. Okay, so right here I was confused. I realized that lens blur wasn't working, but with glow blur, just make sure that the starting percentage for color is at 25, the end is at 0, and then on the last keyframe, make sure to use the curve that you saw previously. And press on create, and then press done, and do that for the rest of your clips. Okay, so once you have everything, it should look like this. Now to make this loop, press on edit and then press on merge scenes, and then the clips that we just split, that's part of the main edit, we're going to go to the very first clip and press on set start, and then go to the end clip and press on set end, and then press merge. But be warned, once you do this, you can't go back and edit anything. If you want to adjust a shake or something, you'll have to do everything completely over again. Once you're sure you like it, press on merge, press save. Now what you want to do is you want to split the rest of the video to be about the same size as this clip. Okay, so mine's right here. It also will align with the beats of the song. So press on edit and then press on quick split scene and then press split and then just confirm it. Now go back to the actual editing spot and then press on edit, press copy, and then go to the second part where you want it to loop and press edit again and press paste, and then press on paste again just to confirm it. Okay, so I actually decided that I want this edit to be reversed. So I'm going to press on new and then just press on motion and then select this reverse option, press apply. Now I'm gonna press save and let's see how it looks. So this looks a little weird because there isn't a shake here. So to fix that, I'm gonna press new, multi-layer, press layer 1, and then import the second or third video. And then just do what we did on the last few clips, but do it at the beginning. So for the outro, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the actual edit in again. So for this, what you'd want to do is you'd want to copy and paste the clip that we just made with the shake. And so I was everywhere this video. I was doing things completely out of order. So I have like an effect added onto the video that I won't show you how to do until a little bit later on in the video. So yeah, just ignore that. And I'm just going to make it slowly fade. So to do this, I'm going to press new, multi-layer, and then press on layer 1, and then import the very last clip. And then I'm going to press edit keyframes and go to the end of the clip and just make sure the opacity is at 0. And for this to work, you need the background color to be set to black. And if it's not, you can just press on it and you can change it. Now I'm going to make sure I like this. I like that, but I also want the color to fade to gray. So to do this, I'm going to press on color. And I'm going to press on, oh wait, this would be cool. Oh my gosh, wait, no, that's so cool. Guys, never mind, I'm using Solarize. Okay, so I'm just gonna press on create, and then press done. Oh yeah, and then I also wanted the intro to fade. So yeah, just repeat what we did in the last clip, but just don't put Solarize on it. Okay, so that's basically the bare minimum of the edit, but if you want to add more effects like color changing, some panning, just keep watching. Okay, so sometimes people make the edits like glow certain colors, you know, like it's hard to explain, but I'll show you guys how to do that. So press on new, press on multi-layer. Oh yeah, this is for the second clip, but you can do this for any of the clips you want. And then press on 1 and then select the most recent clip and then press on color and select hue shift. Now press on layer 1, press on edit keyframes, and then press on this size icon and it will change to color icon and drag it to 0. and then go to the very end of your clip and drag it to 100. Now press back and press create, wait for it to load, press done, and your video will change color. Okay, just to make it a little more smooth, you can merge all of the scenes together, or the scenes for the main edit, and Okay, so what you want to do from here is you want to press on new, then multi-layer, and then click on layer 1 and select the video. Okay, so now press on 1, press on edit keyframes, and then just drag the clip over every like 10 to 15 seconds, I'd say. Mirror, and then select this last option. Now I'm going to press on color, press tracking blur, and make sure that the blur is fine. I like that, so I'm going to press on create, wait for it to load, I'm going to press done. Now press on new, re-effect, then press on this plus button, and then go over to this running person, or no, it's the 9 squares, and then press on rotate, and press this up arrow and make sure it's on smooth and change. Actually, it doesn't matter what the background color is. Drag this slider over to the left just so you can only see a little bit of the border. Now press this down arrow and then press on quick effects. Now press on new, multi-layer. I know it's almost done. And then click on the most recent video, oh my gosh, and then drag the size up to the point where you don't see the border anymore. Okay, yeah, now press back and press create, wait for it to load, and then finally, one last touch, if you press new, transform, then VS motion blur, that always makes the edit smoother. Okay, when it's done, press on done, and then play it through to make sure you like it. I am going to put some flicker on it, so press new, re-effects, press on edit, and then just press on this running man icon, and then select flicker, and you can tone it down a little. I'm gonna put it to here, and I'm just gonna press quick effects. That's it, guys. Hopefully you guys found this tutorial helpful. Like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see y'all next week. Bye!